this is what we do. We do biscuits and we do it well, and we're gonna keep doing it better.
We are Hey Giant Little Biscuits, located in Tampa, Florida. We are a biscuit house with a mission. We opened a little learning center in Seminole Heights, Florida, and the goal was to just offer enrichment for kids in the neighborhood.
We were still working full-time.
Still working full-time teachers. It wasn't even intent on becoming a new career, but after 2 years we said we need to figure out some alternative funding and revenue if we're going to keep this going. As you do in schools, in churches and things, you do a bake sale. We had this biscuit recipe we were kicking around. We figured food and something people could eat and enjoy would be the way to say, hey, if you want to support us, buy some biscuits. And then after a couple weeks, they would be waiting for us outside the door when we would pull up with the biscuits made, ready to start selling. We were then making plans to open this spot that we're in. And that's when Lee took the step first and resigned from teaching. And then I followed suit a year later.
It was amazing, really. I mean, it's a great feeling. Again, changing from teaching to doing something like this, I wasn't aware of what you can get out of creating something with your hands, sharing it with your community, and them loving it.
We mapped out on paper how much would it cost to run a biscuit shop per month.
Minimally.
It's going to cost about $10,000 to $15,000 a month to run a shop. But we sat down, we did our budget, and we said, where can we cut in our own personal life to make this work?
And we thought we'll do what we can, and we'll grow as, you know, we'll get more as we make money. In an average day, we make about 1,000 biscuits.
And so you can get a basic pair of biscuits, $3. If you add any extra jellies or jams, butters, the chocolate sauce we make, things like that. Guava, that's a little extra charge. Right now our profits range somewhere in the $3,000 to $5,000 a month on a good month. Opening a second location is very exciting. We're just as scared and nervous as we were opening the first one.
It's like having a baby. The first one you're really scared and nervous, the second one you're like, okay, we can do this.
Neither one of us have any food service, food industry background at all. And in some ways we feel that's been to our advantage.
But more than money, it's just the time and enjoying your life and enjoying what you're doing.
The thing that's really made us happy is it's been a totally different feeling waking up and going to a job that
we've
created. It's our vision. We look forward to it, and we have control of it.